1997 Chevy 1500 5.7 liter. Let me show you guys what we done. So factory converter. Then usually wires into a stock muffler. We took it out, put 2 Dynomax Race Bullets in its place. Just something different for you guys. Then it wires back out into a single and then dumped out the back. So usually when they do that setup like this, it cuts down a lot on drone. That's why we do it. I don't know if we did this setup before. I don't think we have on the channel yet for you guys. So there it is. So the Y pipe after the 2 resonators helps with the drone issue, okay? And it's dumped right here. He's gonna come back and we're gonna do some other work to it later on, but he's still building it out. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. All right, guys, 1998 Chevy 1500. 5.7 liter short bed, single cab. Really nice truck. Look at that. He's restoring it little by little. And he brought it to us to make it sound good. That's the next step in the process. So it's got 2 factory converters. Then it true duals. And what we did is we true dualed it out the side. As you guys can see right there. With a Flowmaster Super 10. Dual in, dual out. There'll be a link in the description for the part number. Out the sides on one side. Sexy dual tips out the side. Yeah, really clean, really nice, as you guys can see. Gonna let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. 1997 Chevy Silverado with Dynomax Race Bullets wide into a single. Let's make yours sound like that. Give it gas. Yeah, that sounds good. See the crazy part? It's quite a light. Sound decibels, go ahead. Right at 101. That's throaty. You like it? Yeah. Go ahead and back it up. You're right, you do. It's like, yep. Tone on it. I like it. What do you guys think of the tone on it? It's a lot more throaty. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Something like that. Super 10 Flowmaster. Sound. Your sound decibels? Right at 110. Sound. I like the sound. Sounds really nice. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Silverado 5.7 liter with Dynomax Race Bullet, true dual wide into a single. So it's got 2 Dynomax Race Bullets on it and then dumped. I think he got his power back. Enjoy, guys. Sounds really nice for Super Tim. Sorry guys, construction.